Hello, my beautiful friends, and today we continue to speak about aspects in Natal Chart. Today is the turn Mercury Uranus, and we are talking about conjunction. It's 0 to 5 degrees between them. Then we go to supportive aspects. It's sextile and trine. Sextile 60 degrees and trine 120 degrees between them. And then we are going to speak about square and opposition 90 degrees and 180 degrees, which considered to be harsh aspects. Okay, but I'm saying that all the harsh aspects, if you work continuously on them, it's this aspect who will push you further on till the very good results. Okay, let's start. Mercury, it's our intellect, it's our speech, it's how we digest information, how we pass information. And Uranus, it's just breakthrough thoughts, insights, electrical impulse. It's a electrical energy, yeah, very sharp, very bright. So it's absolutely fantastic combination, especially when we are talking about trine and sextile, yeah. So you are eccentric, you are extravagant, quick thinker. Your mind is absolutely phenomenal memory, phenomenal intellectual capacity. You speak wonderfully. Eloquence of speech and clarity of speech is absolutely wonderful, yeah. Also, your inventive ideas are absolutely brilliant. It's your brain who can generate these breakthrough ideas, and you have talents in physics, mathematics, engineering, software, producing, manufacturing, inventing, or whatsoever, electronics, anywhere at all, even in astronaut, nanotechnology, or space sciences, etc., etc. You are the brightest mind ever, okay? The only but is, of course, you don't like traditional way of thinking. You challenge all the authorities. You challenge all the already traditional views on this or that situation. Of course, traditional system of education is not for you. You are too bright and too quick. All the others, they just can't do at the same speed as you, because you are the quickest one, and you can pass all the exams of 10 years education, for example, within 2-3 years. Easy, okay? Also, you are sometimes too intolerant towards others, because all the others can't be at the same speed of thinking, and you think that you are the best one, you are the cleverest one, all the others just stupid people, they just can't do the same as me. Of course you are the cleverest one, of course you are the smartest, the most intelligent, and absolutely brilliant and mind, etc. But you still need your team, you still need your relationships to make all your phenomenal plans realized, to fulfill all your inventive ideas or whatsoever. You can't do this by your own. You are inventive strategy, yeah, and all the others supposed just to help you to fulfill all these brilliant plans in life, so to say. So please watch what your mouth is saying, okay? Sometimes you are tactless, too egocentric, too assertive or whatsoever, yeah? Please don't break the contacts and the relationships you have already made. And of course you will be having problems with opposite sex, because it's difficult to find the equal partner, I mean with the brain-like capacity, etc. Of course, you are here on the earth, in this life, to invent new things. You can be anywhere, even in literature, even in philosophy, always trying to find new ideas, new truth, etc. Okay, let's carry on. We are talking now about Mercury in sextile and in trine with Uranus. All the good things about conjunction are here the same. Quick brain, fantastic intuition, insights, scientific mind, so how to say, hungry to invent new things. You are putting several goals in front of you, and you are able to reach them, yeah. You are brilliant. Intellectual capacity, fantastic. You can be absolutely wonderful, breakthrough person in literature, philosophy, physics, mathematics, nanotechnology, all invention in software, electronics, computers, all yours. Whenever you are going, you are the best, okay? Please, the same warning. Don't break your contacts. You need your creative team. Oh, by the way, you fantastic speaker as well, and you can inspire people, of course. You can be a leader of creative team easily. Just please don't be tactless, yeah? And yes, all the others, they are not thinking so quick, okay? So please give them a chance to help you to fulfill your breakthrough ideas in reality, okay? Well, what else? Absolutely phenomenal memory, yes. Speed of learning, yes. I did tell all of this. Okay. Mercury in square or opposition, 90 degrees or 180 degrees with Uranus. So here, the same insights, the same intellectual capacity, the same quick brain, the same sharp scientific mind, yes. All the same. But you are burning your nervous energy so quick, because Mercury is about our nervous energy, our nervous system, and Uranus the same. So actually here you are just burning out so quickly. You are getting tired. You are getting burnt out so quickly here, until nervous breakdown, until nervous tics, tremor, stuttering even, because quick mind and your speech is not with the same speed. So any kind of neurological problems on physical level can be here. Please be aware. Next, you are so egocentric. You are so rude sometimes. You are so tactless. You are asking absolutely awful questions to others. You are breaking contacts. You are breaking all the relationships, because you are bloody rude, okay? Please watch your mouth, what you are saying, okay? Yes, you think you are the smartest one, you are the brainy one, etc. All the others are all stupid. You think your ideas are so simple, why they don't understand this? They're all stupid, etc., etc. Please, please, don't be so judgmental, so intolerant, and so aggressive even, and so tactless. And don't be rude, because you still, I repeat, need your team of people who are supporting you in your plans and inventions, okay? Because here you don't have patience to fulfill any of your ideas, okay? Or lead any of plan all the idea until realization. Here you have numerous of them, but you never finish any of started thing. So you have to be careful here, yeah, because you don't have this patience to make this plan to fulfill in life. So you need your team, okay? So please watch your mouth, okay? Because you are very sounding very insulting, very offensive, okay? So people would just try to be away from you, okay? So you will be just loner, okay? You will be the only one with your brilliant ideas, and nobody will be there to help you to make them fulfilled in life. So please be aware of this thing, and please try to keep yourself safe, because this is aspect of traumas, of accidents, because you are too hectic, sometimes impulsive, and your temper sometimes so fiery, your brain just stops thinking even, because your temper is like this. You're just fiery person, just telling everyone the truth, etc., etc. Please try to calm down and try to watch your mouth, okay? Try not to be so offensive in insulting others, and tactless and rude, okay? And then you will be absolute leader, because you can inspire other people with really, really fantastic breakthrough ideas. Let it be literature, let it be drama, let it be some filmmaking, let it be scientific breakthrough in any field of sciences. You can invent absolutely fantastic software, programming, any kind of electronics field, also yours. So you need just your team. And please don't lose these precious people who are inspired by your ideas. But yes, they can't think the same quick as you. Be tolerant, okay? And try to look after your routine, so to say, that you are sleeping well, that you are eating well, that you have your meditation to calm down your nervous system, because your nervous system will be always on, burning degree here. You are getting tired very quickly, you are getting exhausted here very quickly. You have to look after your nervous system, because if you don't, nervous breakdown, neurological diseases will be there, or it will be accidents, traumas, electric shocks, whatever. It can be anything, absolutely, and car accidents, etc., etc. Please be aware, be vigilant, and be careful, and you will be a leader of the creative team, and you will invent really fantastic things. Yes, you won't be lucky in contact with opposite sex here, because they are not maybe so quick and so extravagant and so eccentric as you are, and you are just telling everybody the truth, yeah? So your partner must be really, really the same, brilliant, extravagant, etc., yeah? So you can feel that you are equal, etc., and your chances to find your half are minimizing here. I'm sorry, this is the price to pay for your genius absolutely mind, okay? You are the genius mind, but you are intolerant and rude. Please be vigilant here. Thank you for watching me, thank you for being with me, really appreciate your like and comments, and please stay with me. We will come back to our astrology tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, good luck in everything, bye bye.